Everyone thinks the best-selling camping gear is automatically the best one. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different. Product number 1, Welgum Camping String Lights. First up, we have the Welgum Camping String Lights. Priced at just $15.99, these lights caught my attention because they're not just ordinary string lights. They've got some serious versatility. If you want reliable lighting for your outdoor adventures, this is worth a serious look. These lights come with multiple modes, including a warm white glow and colorful flash options, making them perfect for setting the mood at your campsite. Plus, they're waterproof with an IP44 rating, so you don't have to worry if it starts to rain. With a built-in 2000 mAh battery, you get up to 21 hours of light on a single charge, which is ideal for those long nights under the stars. And here's why this matters for you specifically. Whether you're cooking dinner or just hanging out, good lighting can totally enhance your experience. Now, some people complained about the controls feeling a bit cheap, and I get it. Here's the thing though, once you figure out how to use them, they work just fine. So if you're really concerned about that, it might be a deal breaker for you, but overall, I think the benefits outweigh this minor issue. This is perfect for you if you like camping with a touch of comfort and want to light up your space beautifully. Skip this one if you prefer high-end lighting solutions or need something more permanent. For the price, it's a solid investment. Now, if the battery life of those string lights has you worried, wait until you see what I have next. Product number 2, Tamasi Emergency Survival Kit. Next, let's talk about the Tamasi Emergency Survival Kit. At $35.98, this kit is packed with 238 pieces of essential survival gear and first aid supplies. What caught my eye here is its comprehensive nature. If you want peace of mind when you head out into the wild, this is worth a serious look. This kit includes everything you might need in an emergency, from a knife and multi-purpose tools to an emergency tent and first aid items. The fact that it's curated by survival experts means you're not just getting random stuff, you're getting tools designed for real situations. It's compact and lightweight, fitting easily into your backpack, which is essential when you're hiking or camping. Here's why this matters. Having a reliable survival kit can mean the difference between a minor inconvenience and a serious situation when you're out in the wilderness. However, some users pointed out that the bag could be a bit too small for all the items, which can make it a tight squeeze. But honestly, if you're organized, it's manageable. Just keep it tidy and you'll be all right. This is perfect for you if you're an adventurer who often finds yourself in remote areas. Skip this if you're just doing casual picnics in the park. For the features it offers, it's a wise purchase. All right, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who just want straightforward lighting. Product number 3, Mata One LED Camping Lantern. Coming in at just $5.99, the Mata One LED Camping Lantern is a budget-friendly option that still delivers solid performance. What really grabbed my attention is its impressive 50-hour battery life. If you want reliable lighting without breaking the bank, this is worth a serious look. It has 3 adjustable brightness levels, allowing you to customize the light based on your activity. Here's why this matters. Whether you're reading a book or prepping dinner, having the right amount of light can make all the difference in your outdoor experience. However, the downside is that you need to buy batteries separately, which might not be ideal if you're trying to keep things simple. But here's the thing, once you've got the batteries, this lantern is a steal. Just don't forget to pack some spares. This is perfect for you if you're on a tight budget and still want reliable lighting. Skip this one if you prefer rechargeable options. For its price, it's an absolute bargain. Now, if you're looking for something that offers comfort while you sleep, the next product might be just what you need. Product number 4, Pitch and Trek Camping Pillow. Next up is the Pitch and Trek Camping Pillow, priced at just $6.45. It's super lightweight and packs down to the size of a soda can, which is why it caught my eye. If you want comfort on the go, this is worth a serious look. This pillow inflates easily and provides great neck support thanks to its ergonomic design. Whether you're camping in a tent or taking a road trip, it gives you that touch of comfort wherever you are. The material used is eco-friendly and durable, which means it'll hold up to your adventures. Here's why this matters. When you're trying to get a good night's sleep, even a small comfort can make a huge difference, especially after a long day outdoors. But I'll be real with you, it can be tricky to get it just right when inflating, and some people found it a bit too soft for their liking. However, adjusting the air pressure is easy, so you can customize it to your comfort level. It's really not a deal breaker if you want a portable solution. This is perfect for you if you value comfort while camping or traveling. Skip this if you need something more traditional or firm. For such a low price, it's a great addition to your camping gear. Now, moving on to something that will definitely change your shower game while camping. Product number 5, Wadeo Portable Shower. Last but not least, we've got the Wadeo Portable Shower priced at $39.99. This thing is a game changer for camping hygiene, and I was really impressed by its features. If you want a refreshing shower experience outdoors, this is worth a serious look. It has a Fahrenheit display to show water temperature and battery life, which is a huge plus. With 10 different gears, you can adjust the water flow to fit your needs. Here's why this matters. Staying clean while camping not only feels good, but can help prevent infections and keep you comfortable. Now, some users mention that the setup could be a bit tricky, especially for first-timers. But honestly, once you get the hang of it, it's straightforward. Just give yourself a little practice run before your trip. This is perfect for you if you prioritize hygiene while camping or have pets that need a bath. Skip this if you're only going for a quick overnight trip without the need for a shower. For the convenience it provides, it's a worthwhile investment. So there you have it. We covered the Welgum camping string lights for versatility, the Tamasi emergency survival kit for peace of mind, the Mata 1 LED lantern for budget-friendly lighting, the pitch and trek pillow for comfort, and finally, the Wadeo portable shower for hygiene. Each of these products brings something unique to your camping experience, making them worthy additions to your gear.